Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Welcome to
The Ford Focus has long been one of the most recognizable compact cars on the road, praised for its affordability, fuel efficiency, and comfortable driving experience. However, despite its popularity, many mechanics consistently warn drivers and buyers about several recurring issues associated with certain Ford Focus models. These warnings are not based on rumors or isolated complaints. They come from years of repair experience, customer reports, and common mechanical failures repeatedly seen in repair shops around the world. Understanding these concerns can help owners avoid costly repairs and help potential buyers make smarter decisions before purchasing a used vehicle. One of the biggest concerns mechanics constantly mention is the PowerShift automatic transmission found in many Ford Focus models produced between 2012 and 2018. This dual-clutch transmission was designed to improve fuel efficiency and provide smoother shifting, but in practice, many owners experienced serious problems. Drivers often reported jerking movements, delayed acceleration, slipping gears, sudden shaking, grinding noises, and unpredictable shifting behavior. Mechanics frequently describe the transmission as one of the most problematic systems ever installed in a compact car during that period. Some vehicles required repeated repairs, software updates, clutch replacements, or complete transmission rebuilds, sometimes even at relatively low mileage. Many mechanics explain that the transmission behaves differently from a traditional automatic because it operates more like a manual transmission controlled by computers and electronic actuators. Unfortunately, the system often struggles in stop-and-go traffic, which causes excessive wear on the clutch components. Drivers may notice shuddering during acceleration, especially when moving from a complete stop. Mechanics warn that ignoring these early signs can lead to more severe damage over time. In many cases, owners continue driving despite the symptoms because they assume the behavior is normal, only to face expensive repairs later. Another issue mechanics constantly warn about is the high cost and uncertainty of transmission repairs. Even after replacing clutch packs or updating the software, some vehicles continue experiencing similar symptoms. Mechanics sometimes explain that repairs may temporarily improve performance but do not always permanently solve the underlying design flaws. Because of this, many repair professionals recommend avoiding automatic Ford Focus models from those years altogether. Some even suggest purchasing the manual transmission version instead, which tends to have far fewer complaints and significantly better reliability. Electrical problems are another area mechanics often discuss regarding the Ford Focus. Owners frequently report issues involving sensors, dashboard warning lights, battery drainage, and malfunctioning electronic modules. Mechanics explain that modern vehicles rely heavily on computer systems, and when electrical components begin failing, diagnosing the exact cause can become complicated and expensive. Some Focus owners experience situations where the car suddenly refuses to start, loses power, or displays multiple warning messages at once. In certain cases, the issue may be linked to faulty wiring, defective control modules, or weak grounding connections. Mechanics also warn against neglecting battery health in the Ford Focus. Weak batteries can trigger unusual electronic behavior because the vehicle's computer systems require stable voltage to function correctly. A failing battery may cause transmission errors, dashboard glitches, or intermittent starting problems. Many owners mistakenly assume the transmission itself is failing when the actual issue may involve poor electrical performance. This is why mechanics often recommend testing the battery and charging system regularly, especially in older Focus models. Cooling system problems are another common concern that mechanics mention frequently. The cooling system is responsible for maintaining safe engine temperatures, and even minor leaks can create major problems if ignored. Some Ford Focus owners experience coolant leaks from hoses, water pumps, or thermostat housings. Mechanics warn that overheating should never be ignored because excessive heat can damage the engine, warp cylinder heads, or destroy head gaskets. A simple coolant leak can eventually turn into a repair costing thousands of dollars if not addressed quickly. These are only some of the issues mechanics constantly warn about when it comes to the Ford Focus, and there are still more important points to understand before making any decisions about ownership or purchase. Stay tuned for Part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.